In this guide, I'll show you how to best contact PlayStation support for things like account recovery, refunds, and more. So, the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. And then in search, you want to type in PlayStation Contact Us and you want to search. From here, you want to select the link at the top, make sure it's PlayStation.com. And once you're here, this is going to bring you to the support page where you're able to find the issue that you're having, whether it's account security, store refunds, and more. Now, if these resources aren't helpful, if you have a look in the bottom right corner, you'll see the online assistant. Now, it is initially going to start as a bot. However, as you answer questions, you will actually be able to speak to a representative during specific hours. So in this example, I selected account recovery, but feel free to select anyone you'd like. And then you just have to answer some questions and you'll be able to talk to a representative after you've done so. Now, if you're having any issues with the online assistant, what you can also do is simply just go to Google and type in PlayStation phone number, and you should be able to find a PlayStation support phone number that you can call in order to speak to a representative to help fix your issue.